Okay, we're going to do a nice intermediate mat workout. You're going to stand up at the top of your mat with your feet in a Pilates V, cross your arms in front of you. Go ahead and rise up onto your toes, squeezing your inner thighs, your seat, and your abs. Cross 1 foot behind. Keep it tight. With control, you're going to sit yourself all the way down. As your seat goes down, the rest of you is thinking of going up. Lower your bottom onto the mat, and then with control, lie down. I'm not going to give you too much instruction here. I'm going to assume that if you're doing this intermediate mat workout, you've got some good Pilates experience already. Go ahead and use your abdominals to drag your knees into your body, preparing for the 100. Tuck your chin, curl your head and shoulders up, stretch out those legs, only as low as you can. Keep everything pulled down and flat on the mat. Start to pump those arms. Inhale for 5, exhale for 5. 10, in, out. 20, eyes on the belly. 30, shoulders away from ears. 40, squeeze the heels. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, one more breath. 100, hug the knees, and then go ahead and rock yourself up. If you're on a mat with a strap, hook your feet in. Otherwise, you're just going to try to keep your feet as still as possible. Feet in a Pilates V, squeezing those heels. Let's begin down on the back. For the roll up, we'll do 5. Arms stretch back, the ribs don't pop up. Inhale, lift your arms, tuck your chin. Exhale, reach for your toes. Let's go all the way down on one inhale, all the way up on the exhale. Soft shoulders. Inhale down. Yes, my feet are sliding a little. They shouldn't. Exhale up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. I lost count. Let's do one more. And stay down. Go ahead and take your right leg up in the air. One leg circle. Press your arms down firmly. Press your left leg down firmly. Inhale across the body. Exhale up, stop. Inhale, circle. Exhale. Hips don't move. Shoulders don't move. Reverse. Inhale, circle. Exhale, tight belly. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more. Put the leg down. Lift your left leg up. Ground the right one. Lengthen out the top one across. Inhale. Exhale up. Push those hands. Push those shoulders into the mat. Reverse. Inhale out, exhale across, stop. Inhale out, exhale. 2 more. And put the leg down. We'll roll up, getting into our rolling like a ball position, and scooch forward if you need to. 5 times. Inhale, roll back. Exhale up, balance. Inhale, chin to chest. Knees to chest. Oops. 3 more. One more. Into our single leg stretch. Hug that right leg in tight, stretch out the left. Let's go. 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3. Stay curled up. Hug both legs in, double leg stretch. Inhale, reach. Circle the arms. Exhale, hug all the air out. Inhale, reach. Exhale. 2 more. Single straight legs. Really stretch. 5, 5, 4, 4. Your low back never lifts off the mat. 2, 1. Both legs straight up in the air. Flat hands behind your head, elbows wide. Keep your blades off the mat. Inhale, reach your legs down. Don't let your back lift. Exhale, pull them up. Inhale, reach away. Exhale, eyes on the tummy. 3. Starts to burn. 2. 1. Here's where I always want to rest, but we're not going to take it. Crisscross. 5. 5. Shoulders don't touch the mat. I was going to say elbows, but obviously not elbows. 3. 3. 2. 2. 1. 1. We did it. Spine stretch forward. We will do 3. Inhale, sit tall. Exhale, one bone at a time. Reaches forward. Abs stay pulled up and back. One bone at a time, stacking up on top of the next. 2 more. Head first. Articulate through the spine, 1 vertebrae at a time. And the same on the way up. 1 more time. I'm getting myself 1 big arm circle here. Open leg rocker. Legs straight up in the air, grab where you can. 5 times, chin to chest. Inhale, pull the low belly to rock. Exhale, up balance. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more. Last one. Transition to corkscrew, close your feet. Walk down with control, lie on your back, press the hands and the shoulders. Not in the middle of the mat. Squeeze your heels. Inhale, the feet go to the right. They draw a circle, just like the 1 leg circle. They come back up, they stop. Reverse. Inhale, left this time. Exhale, draw your circle. Stop. The hips and the waist can roll. The ribs and the shoulders should not. Use your triceps to press your hands down and really straighten the arms. Press those shoulders back. Feel like you're doing a chest expansion. Finish here with the left. Hug your knees. Come up for the saw. We're going to take the feet wider than the mat if possible. Straight legs, flex feet. Arms out. The legs and the hips and the pelvis do not move in this exercise. The upper body does. Inhale, rotate all the way to the right. Exhale, flex your spine. Think of sawing off your baby right toe. Head towards knee. Inhale, up. Twist all the way to the left. And exhale, saw off that left baby toe, but really push down the right seat and don't let the legs move. Inhale, up. Rotate. Exhale, saw. Inhale, up. Left. Exhale, saw. 1 more time each. Okay, 1 leg kick. I'm not going to turn around. You might put your head at the other end of the mat. I think it would be rude to give my feet and bottom to the camera. So I'm going to stay down here. I'm going to have my fists and elbows pressed onto the mat. Shoulders distance. Feet squeezed and belly button pulled up off the mat. So I feel like I'm in a little more of a plank than a back bend. Looking straight ahead. Neck roll. Look right. Roll the head all the way down. Till you're looking left. Straight back ahead. Keep the belly pulled up. Look left. All the way down. Center. That's enough of those. Push into your fist. Pull up the tummy. Right leg. Single leg kick. 1, 2. Switch. 1, 2. You can pass your feet mid-air. Keep the eyes forward. Belly pulled in. And the body isn't moving or bouncing as you do these little pulses of the foot. Little hamstring curls. Tight seat. 1 more right, right. 1 more left, left. And we'll go to our double leg kick. I'm going to lay down my right ear. Place my hands together as high up the back as possible and elbows down. Squeeze the heels. 3 kicks, no body bounces. 1, 2, 3. Reach the feet, reach the arms, lift the chest. Turn your head the opposite way, put the opposite hand on top. 1, 2, 3. Reach. The hands could connect or not. First side. 1, 2, 3. Reach. The hands reach for the feet and maybe press up to the sky. 1, 2, 3. Reach. One more each. You're going to take a child's pose here to stretch your back, seat towards the feet, head towards the knees. If you were facing the other direction, come on around now. We're going to sit on our bottom and do our neck pull. The feet are hip distance, parallel and flexed. If you've got a strap on your mat, stick your feet under that strap. We'll begin down on our back. We'll do 5. We will roll straight away. We won't do the flat back hinge today. Inhale, tuck your chin to your chest. Exhale, up and over, elbows right to the knees. Inhale, sit up straight. Exhale, scoop your tummy, tuck your seat. Roll down bone by bone. Keep pulling on your head so your neck remains long. Inhale, tuck the chin. Exhale, all the air out. Inhale, up straight. Like a punch in the low belly, start to scoop and articulate down your back. 1 vertebrae at a time. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. We'll stay on our side for side kicks. You're going to move your bottom, your back, your shoulders, and your head all the way to the back edge of the mat. I'm going to continue with that neck pull feeling, holding the base of my skull. Your feet are going to come just off the front edge of the mat. Your top hand can go on the mat. Think of pulling your waist up off the mat, making a little mouse hole. Float your top foot an inch and your waist doesn't move. Inhale, kick forward. Exhale, kick back. 4 more. Really tight core here. Your goal is not to move your torso while you move the leg. Feet together. You're going to kick up without dropping that bottom waist on the ground and down. Neck remains long. 2 more. Without moving your center, draw 5 circles. Reverse. Lie on your stomach. Excuse my feet. You're going to squeeze your heels for beats. Hands go on the mat, forehead on the hands. Float your feet. Squeeze your seat. 10 beats. Again. 1 more time. Roll to the second side. Again, line up your whole spine at the back of the mat. Take your hips and legs about 45 degrees forward away. Catch the base of the neck, lengthen. Other hand in front, waist pulls up. Lift your leg. We kick it forward. We kick it back. Squeeze the glute to get that leg back behind you, just a few inches. 2 more. Kicking up. Waist doesn't drop. Circles. Reverse. And then onto your back for teasers. Raji, come on up here, sweetie pie. Come on up. You're okay. Come on, sweetie pie. Good boy. Come on up. Sorry. We're going to try the full teaser sequence if you feel like you need to keep your feet down at first before lifting them up. then you can do that. Otherwise, we're going to hug the knees in, stretch your legs out to 45. Arms up. Inhale, lift your head and shoulders. Exhale, slowly up, bringing your spine to that nice J with the low belly scoop. Keep your legs still, roll down slowly, bone by bone. And the arms can reach back up. Again. Exhale, slowly peeling your back off the mat. Arms ideally parallel with legs. Hi, Raj. Slowly down. Guest star on the video. One more time. Now, can you keep your upper body still? Lower the legs. 3. Don't move the torso. 2. 1. And last teaser here. Our arms go up. Everything goes down. The legs, the arms, the head, the feet. Everything comes back up slowly. The arms reach overhead. Everything slowly opens together. Last one like that. Hug the knees in. Those teasers are quite tough, so if you can't quite do them all yet, give yourself some time and you will eventually be able to. We'll finish off with the seal here. Thread your arms inside and then outside, so you're going to be catching your hands on your feet or ankles. The knees don't flop, they squeeze in on the arms. Round your back leg, rolling like a ball, chin to chest. 3 claps with the feet. 1, 2, 3, up on the shoulders. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 on the shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it one more time. And go ahead and stand yourself up. And just for a fun challenge, let's try one little set of push-ups. Standing at the end of the mat, Pilates V. Arms up overhead. Slowly start to roll down. Imagine there's a wall right behind your seat so you can't send your hips backwards. Hands to the mat. Bend your knees if you need to. 4 walks to get to plank. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knees up if you're able, knees down if you need to. I'm going to put my knees down because this is an intermediate video. 3 tricep push-ups. 3. Remember that your head and neck are part of the spine. 2, they don't droop. 1 more time. If your knees are down, lift them up. Walk back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now again, imagine that wall is behind you. Head and arms hanging. Arms by ears as you roll up slowly. Circle the arms. And we're all done. Good job. Thanks for joining me.